Hello friends and my students. Now we are talking about a particular question of electrostatics. After very long time we are meeting. Okay. That is based on Coulomb's law. Suppose that is a ring of radius r. Ring of radius r, that is ring radius r. That is center O. That is metallic. This ring is metallic, very thin metallic. So certainly in the form of ring there would be tension along this periphery due to intermolecular forces interaction. This one is given Q naught charge. This ring is given Q naught charge. It is metallic and symmetrical. That's why it will be distributed on entire periphery of this ring, and that will be uniformly charged because it is metal. After putting another charge small q here, positive, both are positive, means that's of same type, there would be extra tension in the wire of ring, in the periphery of ring. After putting the charge at the center, this point charge at the center, what will be net increment in tension along the ring, periphery of ring? We have to calculate. Okay, we are discussing about this one. For this one, that is Q naught charge is given to this one. What about charge per unit length? I am writing here. Lambda is charge of ring per unit length. Per unit length. Sure, this total charge is Q naught. That's upon 2 pi r. That is charge, linear charge density of the ring. We are assuming here a very small length of this one. I am making thick this one. That is dl. Now that's very small, but for clarity in figure, I am taking something large. Suppose this one. These are two ends. This is dl. We can write down this dl as r theta. This theta is also very small. This whole angle is theta. Okay, na? This is vertical line. This is angle bisector, and this angle will be theta by 2. This will be also theta by 2. After putting charge here, it will try to expand. Then this tension, extra tension in this ring will try to restore it, and at a particular length it will be restored. So extra tension will be generated here. Suppose that extra tension is T, and at this portion this will be along the tangent here dt. This will be also in this direction dt, dt. If I am taking a particular horizontal line x prime, this vertical line y, this dt has component here. Why dt? I will take t. Okay, dt is also. So dt, this will be dt. If this one is theta by 2, this will be also theta by 2. I hope you all know this thing. So dt cos theta with minus sign. Here component of dt along positive x-axis is plus dt cos theta by 2. And this both dt has vertically downward component in this figure. How much? dt sine theta by 2. Sum of these two will be 2 dt sine theta by 2. That is vertically downward towards the center here. From every portion that will be towards the center. And that one will counterbalance the electrostatic force which is radial and outward. So in equilibrium we can write, in equilibrium we can write 2 dt sine theta by 2, where theta is very small, should be equal to q naught lambda dl upon 4 pi epsilon naught r square. 4 pi epsilon naught r square. It's okay now? This electrostatic force outward will be equal and opposite to 2 dt sine theta by 2. Since theta is very small, theta by 2 will be also very small. For a small angle, sine theta by 2 will be equal to only theta by 2. So we can write down here 2 dt sine theta by 2 is theta by 2. Why? Because theta is very small, equals to q naught lambda dl is r theta. dl is, we can write here, dl is r theta. That is length of, by 4 pi, radius was capital R, so we will write here capital R square, 4 pi epsilon naught capital R squared. This 2 will be cancelled. This theta will be also cancelled, and this dt will be q naught lambda, one of the r will be also cancelled, q naught lambda upon 4 pi epsilon naught r, 4 pi epsilon naught r. We can write down this lambda as q naught q by 2 pi r, q naught q by 2 pi r. This is lambda. Here is 4 pi epsilon naught, and that is r. That's one is q naught q by 8 pi epsilon naught r squared. 8 pi epsilon naught r square. This is a extra dt which will be generated after putting charge q naught at the center. We will meet time by time very regularly. There is also my app Kamlesh Pandey classes, KP classes. On that one, at very normal cost, I teach for 11th and 12th separately. For pass out is separate batch. In Hindi and English both there are batches. Complete lecture. With the lecture there would be very good questions of 2 or 3 types. One of them will be something easier, next one is mediocre, and the last one will be very good. For NEET and IIT, IT Advanced, Mains, all for Olympiad, we are launching app. It has been already launched. So please join that one at very normal cost and get benefit of that one. Thank you. इसको YouTube पे डाल